Konke sekumi ngomumo malungana namalungiselelo okubungaza iminyaka eyi-114 kwasungulwa i-ANC nowaziwa ngele January 8 Statement kusasa nozobanjelwa enkundleni iMoruleng. Kodwa-ke izakhamuzi zalapha zithi i-ANC yehlulekile ukuzinika impilo engcono.
Members of the ANC bapalulwa bahaethu.
I-ANC ihlulekile. Sekuphele iminyaka engu-30 belokhu bethi bafuna ukuthuthukisa impilo yabantu, kodwa namanje lutho.
Abanye-ke bathi ayikho neyodwa into i-ANC okumele ibungaze.
I can't say there is a valid reason for us to celebrate. You know, we just celebrate our old guys who actually established this organization. And then I think where they are sleeping and they are not actually at peace. In reality is that when they look at what is happening to this organization nowadays, it is painful.
Abanye bathi kubamangazile indlela okuphuthunyiswe ngayo ukuthunyelwa kwezidingongqangi njengoba kwenziwa amalungiselelo alomcimbi.
Mina ngiyaqala ukubona kupendwa ama-speed humps. Besingazi nokuthi aseze afakwa lapha. Kudala siwacela ukuthi afakwe ukunciphisa ijubane emgwaqweni. Kodwa besitshela ukuthi imali ayikho.
Nawu-ke umlayezo abafuna ukuthumela ku-ANC ngaphambi kosuku lwakusasa.
The African National Congress, they need to wake up because in reality we need to do something tangible, especially basic services.
Kusasa i-ANC izobe ibungaza iminyaka eyi-114 yasungulwa. Phakathi kwezinto ezizokhulunywa umengameli weqembu uCyril Ramaphosa, izinhlelo i-ANC esizenzile nesazozenza.